Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been posting more, but still that's once in 2 weeks. So I'll try to keep on fixing that. I'll keep doing it if you guys keep supporting me and liking my videos and subscribing. I'm gonna be showing you how to fix slimes. These are for a ton of different how to fix different slimes. Cause almost all of my slimes are bad. All of my slimes are bad. So yeah, I'm gonna be fixing them today. I've always been too lazy to fix them, but I guess let's fix them now. Okay, so the first one is a slime that is way too fluffy. Here, focus. So this is what it looks like. All the shaving cream rose to the top, and water or something. I don't even know if there's still some. I forgot a spoon. What will I do? I had a spoon, and I guess I just, forgot it. Great. So, look at this slime. It's a pretty good slime, just not very good at poking. Really, this is really bad at poking. Sorry, I have a really stuffy nose, even though it's the middle of spring. So yeah. And the next slime, I'm gonna tell you, I've been trying to fix this slime for literally the whole time I've had it, and I've had it for a while. So look, I'll pick it up, it's dripping literally. Oh no. Really? Yeah, not okay. So, and this slime is really, really bad. So I think I'm gonna take a slime that's kinda, I'll show you this slime. It's not a very good slime. It has too much baking soda. I mean, it's pretty nice. There's a lot of lotion in it. It's focusing on the container. It needs to focus on the slime. So, yeah, it's a pretty nice slime. I'm going to see what it's like. I'm going to take a tiny bit of that and a tiny bit of this and mix them. Well, there's more of the pink slime, so I'm going to mix a little more. There's actually, so yeah, I'm just taking, and you have to smush it on top of itself. Yeah. So see, I mean, this would be a pretty nice slime. Sorry, it won't focus. I'm gonna zoom in. Sorry, my hand was covering. I have no idea what that yelling is, but actually I kinda like this slime. I mean, it feels kinda weird, but I could easily fix this. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this slime and I'm gonna take this horrible slime, make sure there's no water that's gonna be dripping on it. Water's squeezing everywhere. So I guess that'll be good. And ready? And zoom in. Okay, I did it. Uh-oh. I kind of regret that. Kind of don't. But if I do regret it, it literally doesn't even stick in. So I'm just trying to cover it. Yeah, just mix it. Okay, so I just opened this up, so it is not mixing in, it's so hard. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep mixing because it's almost halfway there. It's like halfway there. Because that's pink slime, not the one that was good. Going that, and like water, it's just falling apart. So I'm just switching it into a scope. Okay, so this. Oh, so sorry. I forgot I turned the camera on. But anyways, so I just my camera died like in the middle of the video. So I just let it charge, and so now sorry if you hear anyone like yelling at me. I'm supposed to be inside doing homework, but I didn't want to. And so I accidentally left it without a lid, but it's actually not as bad as you would think. So I'm going to transfer it into a different container. So yeah, this is like my best, one of my best slimes. It's a lot brighter outside because I was inside for like an hour watching Netflix. But yeah, so I'm gonna put this in this container and put this in here. And yeah, so these like do not like each other. One was like greasy and the other is like watery. Oh my gosh, when it's so sunny, I did the filter so like the back is still blurry, so you can't like see anyone's address, but so it focuses on this and it just looks so pretty. So yeah, and I'm just gonna keep mixing this. Oh yeah, and sorry if you hear any noises. I'm gonna just keep mixing this. So I'm back. This one just really doesn't want to work, I guess. So this one is gonna be a fail. So that slime I don't think it could have been fixed, whatever I do. I'm just gonna put this aside. And sorry, someone's here. So yeah, let me remember what I was gonna say again. Okay, so I'm back. I remembered this. I remembered what I was gonna do. This, I thought it would be like a huge slime, and look it. Do you not see this? Like, looks like focus, like moon sand. Kind of feels like it. So I made this slime to add to that. Then I'm like, this is too small. It's just gonna be a waste of a good slime. So I just use this as shaving cream because this is like 75% shaving cream. So if I like, oh my gosh, look what it's doing. It looks like fake sand, doesn't it? It's just shaving cream. It just looks kind of weird for some reason. Oh, there's also some slimes that I was gonna mix. Then I added shaving cream. Then, kind of made a mess, as you can tell. And then the bottom is a lot different. And so I'm just using this for shaving cream. And for slimes like this one, that's like kind of sticky, but you don't want to accidentally overactivate it. You just want to make it a tiny bit less sticky. All you have to do is just add shaving cream, This is a shaving cream mixture, so it does have some glue and contact solution in it. But yeah, this is still like my favorite slime. Good at poking. Ugh. So I think I might mix it with this slime. So I was literally letting this sit for like 2 minutes, and like it happened again, but like instead of like water and shaving cream, it was like slime and glue. It was weird. So yeah, I'm gonna mix this blue slime. So yeah. So let me get it separated, set up different so you can see better. Yeah. So sorry, I didn't set it up very different. I just put it higher. I guess this is gonna work. So here are my two slimes. Big difference in size. So yeah, ready? Woo! This is gonna be such a pretty color, I bet. It's gonna be like lavender. Oh, look at, there's so much more purple. They're just like spots of little blue. I kind of regret that, but at the same time I don't. The bottom of this is like water, basically. The shaving cream like evaporated. It's like sticky slime, see? Ew, this is so gross. This is much smaller than it was before. So I'm gonna take some of this like glue, gross stuff, mix it in. Like more glue. And I used half a bottle of contacts of like activator to try to activate that. Ouch, my nail. It's gonna be like the same color as my nails. No, not as purple. I wish it was. Once I finish mixing, we'll see. So yeah, I'll be back when I'm done mixing. Ah, sorry. Okay, I'm back with this slime, and I think I'm gonna take this stuff and put this in there. So I'll be back when I do that. Bye. So guys, this is like a normal slime, it's just a bad slime. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.